visuals of Trump and Kris Marszalek alongside Bitcoin graphics. Big news for the crypto world. Donald Trump just held a key meeting with Crypto.com CEO Kris Marszalek at Mar-a-Lago to discuss pro-crypto policies. Let's break it down. What was discussed, why Crypto.com dropped its SEC lawsuit, and what this means for Bitcoin and the entire crypto market. So, what happened? On December 16th, Trump met with Kris Marszalek, CEO of Crypto.com. The two discussed Trump's proposal to launch a national Bitcoin reserve and key appointments for his administration that aim to support cryptocurrency innovation. And here's the twist. On the same day, Crypto.com voluntarily dropped its lawsuit against the US Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC). Why? A spokesperson for Crypto.com said the firm is now focused on working with the incoming administration to build a clear regulatory framework for crypto in the US. It's clear Trump is positioning himself as pro-crypto. Since his election win on November 5th, he's already made moves to appoint individuals with strong crypto ties. Here's what we know. David Sachs, former PayPal COO, will serve as Trump's AI and crypto czar. Paul Atkins, former commissioner, is Trump's choice for SEC chair. These decisions signal a major shift toward a friendlier regulatory environment for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So what does this mean for Bitcoin and the broader crypto market? With Trump openly supporting crypto regulation and discussing a national Bitcoin reserve, this could be a game changer. Lower regulatory uncertainty and clearer policies could drive Bitcoin adoption even further. And let's not forget, Bitcoin is already trading near all-time highs. If Trump follows through with these plans, we could see Bitcoin pushing even higher in 2024. Trump's meeting with Crypto.com, the dismissal of the SEC lawsuit, and his pro-crypto appointments could mark the start of a new era for crypto in the US. Is this the bullish catalyst we've been waiting for? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to traderaag, and hit the bell icon for the latest crypto updates. Follow me on Twitter and join my Discord community where I share trade ideas and market setups daily.